After you start using Gmail for a while, you're going to see that you'll be getting a lot of emails and your inbox can be cluttered like this. As you can see here, we have 144 emails in our inbox. In this video, we're going to look at some of the ways to, clean up your inbox, and some of the ways to organize your emails. Now, in here, you have the ability to select an individual message, or you can actually select all of these at once by just clicking on this select button here. When you click there, you're going to see the all options together with other options. So now when you select an email, you can do different things with it. For instance, you can archive it, you can report it as a spam, you can also delete it. But if you want to delete all of these at once, you can just simply come here and select the mark all option, and all of these emails now are selected at once, and you can just simply delete these, or you can report these at once as spam. And then this side, you can also mark these as read. You can also move them to different folders. Maybe you want to move them to spam, or maybe to bin, or maybe all these other different options here. You can also create a new, folder where you want to put these selected emails by just clicking on the new, and you go on and create a new group where you can put these emails. Now, most of the times you not want to delete or to report as spam. So you just want to get rid of them from here and put them in a place where you can still access them. You want to select maybe all of these messages at once like that, then archive them. When you click there, these messages are not deleted. The archive option is much safer than deleting them, because that way you can still find them. But when you delete an email, it's very difficult for you to get it back. Now, to be able to see the messages in your archives, you can simply come here. You can just bring the mouse this side and you see this menu bar, and you can click on more options. And down here, you're going to see all mail. When you click there, on all mail, it's going to take you, this is why you see all the email addresses that you've received and all the email addresses that you archived. To go out of the archives or all mails, you can just simply bring the mouse here. You're going to see inbox, and when you click there, it's going to take you back to your inbox. And here you can see that now you are in your inbox. And when you select an email here, you can do different things with it. It's like I said, you have the more options here. You can also create labels. Now, labels are a good way to organize your emails or messages that you receive. And so here you can create new labels, and here you can name it. Also, you can nest labels under a label. If you want to nest certain labels, you can just activate this. In my case, I don't want to do that. Then I can click on create. When this is created, now this email is going to be marked as a friends. So you can select a number of emails here and come to these three dots and label as. You can say friends. When you do that, when you deselect these emails, they will have the friends label before them. And when you come to this section, you're going to see that down here you have the friends label. This is going to, when you click there, it's just going to show you emails from friends only. This is a good one. If you want, you can delete it. You can simply click on these three dots and you can remove the label by just clicking on remove label. When you do that, it's now saying remove the label friends from five. Yes, just click on delete. And just like that, the label friends was removed. And so now we can come back in here. We'll see that the emails no longer have their friends label. We can remove labels from emails, can also add labels to emails. Here, these labels can be colored. You can simply come here, click on the label that you want to color, and you can click on the color that you want to use. Just like that, you can also come here and change the color for this one, say that it should be green. And just like that, you can color your labels in Gmail. Archive and labeling emails in Gmail is a good feature, because that way you can simply, when an email comes in, you can label it, or you can just archive it so the inbox is as empty as possible. So not to confuse you or give you headaches to look for specific emails from a list of a lot of emails that comes in your inbox. So when you're just starting out, you have to learn how to use the archive system, or just the labeling system. So these emails are going to be in the labels that you create. It's easier for you to simply find them, and that way it's not going to clutter your inbox. I hope you've learned one or two things. If this video is helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about Gmail, please leave them in the comments. I'll respond to you. See you in the next one.